like windows up or down?
You have to have them down.
Down, that's what I thought.
I'm going to keep this helmet all day. I like it. My glasses going in and out of the...
I don't know what the tire pressure is, but I lowered it to 27. Otherwise, this car, I don't like the way it behaves.
Morning.
Morning. You've got wristband, cool. Waiting on one car. Waving yellow at turn 7.
Got it. Late apex here. This has some power.
Oh, that's what I wanted to hear. I wanted to hear what you thought of it, because it's tricked out. It's probably faster than the GT car in horsepower,
Yeah.
but not in weight.
Go too fast in the slow corners and not near fast enough in the fast corners. We can go out again if you want, but we'll
My buddy wants to go.
Okay.
Yeah, he wants to go.
So what do you think?
Fucking love it, man.
Man, it's got power.
Oh, that's what I wanted to hear. So, is it noticeable?
Yeah. Yeah, I scared myself coming out of the pit, pushing on the gas all the way. I had to feather back because it's like,
Apparently I know this car is the fastest on the bunch right now. Nobody's got bigger turbos. I'm the only one running them. That's why I wanted to go out with you to see what you thought.
Sure. We'll see what turbos Matthew Cole has on his 420 car, the white one.
Oh, okay.
It's a casino white. He's got bigger turbos. I don't know how big.
What year? 17?
It might be a 17. Yeah.
Okay. That may be faster because the 17, 18s don't have that EPA regulation shit that they stump up. His are there.
Oh, you have to go all the way here? Oh, your
No.
friend's over here?
Yeah, you take him off and let it cool off, and then we'll switch. You may throw up. Disclaimer.
I'm not gonna throw up.
Don't tell me I didn't warn
You want me
you.
to leave this stuff with you?
Yeah. You can take my